if y'all want to see how I got this very cute, fluffy ponytail, continue to watch. Separate it, put it back together, make it bounce. That's so stupid. Hey y'all, it's Tiana Shanell and I'm back with another video. So it's raining outside and this is just a cute hairstyle to do when it's raining. So it's real simple, real easy. All you need is a hair tie, a brush, some edge control. Yeah, I don't see shit. And a flat iron, of course. I'm gonna put hair. We're gonna do it on 340. Y'all get an unbrush. The shit really works. I don't care what they say. Anybody that say it don't work, don't have it. Didn't get it. It ain't got. So you just want to brush your hair up. And then it's like a middle ponytail kind of. And you're gonna put a loose pony. You're not tying it right now, but just make it loose. Is it Wava? So see where you want it, about where you want on your head. Take some pieces out. You know how that go. I feel like I already did this hairstyle. Maybe I did it for a low ponytail. Just go ahead and take the pieces out. I took some out on the side and then like the back kind of. Y'all know how I am with the pieces. Do a loose pony. This is not the official one because you want to curl your hair a little bit more. So loose, and then first you want to go and just curl all the pieces that you left out. We're gonna put that up with the rest of the hair. So you're gonna take a pretty big section and just curl it, and it's gonna give like a Barbie doll ponytail. You see that? And just do that for the whole pony. And it really just curls towards the end. Like that. And it just adds like a way more than like just having a regular ponytail. It really spices it up. I'm gonna actually add some hairspray this time because I don't have time to be doing this shit every day. It's honestly not good to do this shit every day either. I'm just pulling all the parts that aren't done to the front so you have to see it and do that. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need muscle, fuck my wealth. Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. There's one more section. That we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take. I don't know if I like that, but We're gonna take some hairspray. And I'm gonna use the bad head extreme hold. This. So do that. I might just need to use a smaller fine for the curls.
Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should have figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it.
And then what I like to do is I split the curls. Because and then I'm gonna redo the ponytail. I wish I had a bristle brush, but I don't. So what I'm about to do is spray some got to be in my hand. And do that. So it's not too many flyaways. Pull it out. Pull everything out. Okay, figure out where you want it. I think I have mine figured out. Take the hair tie. Make sure it's in the middle, or try your best. Sad, terrible nose. So the video had cut out right when I did the ponytail because the camera died. So I'm a real one. So I kind of fixed my hair because it wasn't hitting on how it was in at first. And I'm gonna just redo that part. And this is the vibes. Very simple, very cute. It just spices up a look when you already rushing, you wanna go. You gotta get to where you're going to. Let me curl the sides. And that is that. Just cute, dainty, girly, because I'm a lady, we're women. Is it white right there? Separate it. Put it back together. Make it bounce. That's so stupid. You remember when we was little and that's how the used to walk? Honestly, you don't have to try that hard. When it just move and move. Let me stop. But very cute, very cute. Big. It just adds some volume to the ends. It just spices the ponytail up for a cute, fluffy, full look instead of just being straight and straggly. Because that's how most ponytails be. That is the end of my tutorial. I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love y'all. Another hairstyle come with the curls, so it's gonna be a little bit more intricate since this was just so plain. We just gotta figure it out, like what hairstyle to do. I don't know yet. Mwah.